Alright guys, so what's up? Not much. Just picked up a new car. Not sure if you guys can tell what kind of car it is from this angle. But yeah, been driving a long time to go get this thing. If you drive more than like 4 to 5 hours to go get a car, it was a good deal. But yeah, picked up another car. I guess maybe you guys know what it is, maybe you don't. We'll see. So let me see here. You guys know what car it is now, maybe by the shifter. I don't know, I think it might be one of those cars. I don't know, not bad. So we're out here driving home, long way, man. So we'll see how things are going. But yeah guys, so I don't know, I'll add some pictures in, probably a short video, because I don't know, I was gonna do a video like going to pick up the car, but I really wasn't sure if I was gonna get it, because I was kind of like, so I didn't really do it. But we got it, so I'll throw some pics in, because it might be dark by the time I get home. But yeah guys, so new whip, we'll see what has to come. So if you guys have any suggestions on what you want to see, what we should do, what parts we should buy, this budget is I'm gonna say this has an unlimited budget. The EP, we did that on as cheap as we could do, but this car, I'm open to anything. So all right guys, well, we'll roll in some pictures and